Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I am going to share you about the new update Microsoft Defender. So Microsoft Defender for Android is ending support for BYOD Android BYOD devices, right? So if you are using or your organization is using, as you can see on my screen, right? So by end of March 2026, we are in April, so by end of March 2026, Microsoft Defender for Android will no longer support protection for personal profile on or your Android enrolled devices. So this change actually aligns with your enterprise first security strategy, ensuring resources are focused on protecting corporate data while maintaining the user privacy. When this will happen? This rollout will begin in mid-March 2026 and complete by late March 2026. So if you are wondering how this will affect your organizations and who is affected, so if your organizations using or you using Microsoft Defender for endpoints MDE on Android in personal profiles on enrolled devices that are managed through MDM configuration profile. What is changing? The we Microsoft is ending supports, monitoring, and feature development for protecting personal profiles on enrolled devices, like personal profiles which is managed through MDM configuration policy, not through MAM. The Microsoft objective by rolling out this, or the main objective, is to safeguard corporate assets with emphasis on identity and data content within the work profile in enrolled environment. We rely as on Android platforms label separations to ensure robust isolations, and this current research indicate that the likelihood of the cross profile attacks commissioning enterprise data remain minimal at the present. The current state, what is the current states, and the now Defender can be enrolled in the personal profile and managed through MDM configuration policies along with the controlling work profile configurations. The new states will be deploying and managing Defender in the personal profile on Android personal device enrolled devices via MDM policy will be retired by end of March 2026. So the user will not able to activate, and we cannot manage the Defender for endpoints on Android personal devices. And this will be not apply for the mobile application management. This will be unchanged. It's only for the if your users or organizations is leveraging MDM profiles and configurations on Android BYOD devices, which is one work profile. I will show you where you use the where if you are using the work profile. The benefit for this change is the if you want to learn more, you just click on that link right here. You can understand how you can configure and how you can use that with Intune MDM and a MAM without enrollment or with enrollment. The benefit for this change is this update enhance our enterprise focused strategy by providing more efficient and dependable protection for corporate data. It safeguards user privacy and ensure that Defender exclusively protect corporate assets, not the personal information, in accordance with the privacy regulation and platform separations. Because if you have seen, if you are enrolling your Android BYOD devices, you will see two partition in the personal side and work side. So in the personal side, the Defender will not be supported. Defender will only uh, support on the corporate devices. So what you can do to prepare? So if you are using, of course you should, but being as an admin, there is no action required from the admin or users. The changes will applied automatically in the backend and will not impact your work profile or unenrolled experience. The compliance considerations, of course, no compliance consideration identified. You can review appropriate for your organizations. So I hope you learn. I will show you. If you go to the Intune tenant, click on Android and click on enrollment. You see here the work corporate on devices with work profile. So this will apply only for the personally on devices with work profile. So where the this partition separate partition is there. So if you are using this one personally on devices with work profile with MDM, you will not be able to use the Defender because it's only for the corporate on devices here, right? So I hope you learn something new. If for more updates, you can keep watching and share with your friends and colleagues. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.